so yesterday we began working on perimeter. Who can raise their hand and tell me what perimeter is? Chase?
Perimeter is different.
The what?
The distance of any polygon or any shape.
Okay. Chase said the distance of any polygon or shape. How can we make his definition even better? How can we make his definition even better? Rainbow?
We can say something like a polygon. Well, I mean a perimeter is like something we measure like a pool or something like that.
Okay, don't give me an example. I want the definition. You're right. We use perimeter. We can find the perimeter of a pool. You're right. But I want the definition. Let's make Chase's definition even better. Logan?
Perimeter is the distance around a shape.
Good. I like how you said the distance around a shape, right? So we added the word around, because when you find a perimeter, do you just do one side?
No.
No, you have to make sure you go all around. Alrighty. So I have 3 shapes on the board. And I'm pretty sure all of you know these shapes. So, what is this shape called here?
Triangle.
And what shape is in the middle?
Square.
And what shape is right over here?
Rectangle.
What makes a rectangle a rectangle? I want you guys thinking about geometry. We went over this. What makes a rectangle a rectangle? Keelan? Why is this called a rectangle?
It's called a rectangle because it's like it's long and it has four equal sides.
Let's look at this rectangle. If you don't agree or you agree, you can just add or you respectfully disagree. Mackenzie?
We know that a rectangle is a rectangle.
Hold on, stop right there, okay? Hold your thought. Keelan said it has all equal sides. That's what you said, right, Keelan? Okay?
I respectfully disagree because the width of the rectangle is shorter than the width.
Very good. Very good. Track the board, please. Mackenzie said the width is shorter than the
Length.
Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. Alrighty. So Mackenzie's right. What else do we know about a rectangle? She said the width is shorter than the length. What else do we know? Anissa?
It's a quadrilateral.
It's a quadrilateral. How do you know it's a quadrilateral?
You know it's a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 angles.
4 sides and 4 angles. Great. What else can we say about this rectangle, Justice?
It's a parallelogram.
Why is it a parallelogram, Justice?
It's a parallelogram because it's because the lines will never touch.
They're touching. Remember, we talked about that. They're touching.
The lines will never cross.
Okay. I kind of know what you mean. Who can help Justice out? What is Justice trying to say? Jaden?
She's trying to say the lines will never meet.
Yeah, she said that, but that's not how we want to word it, right? How can we define that this is a parallelogram? Miley?
The lines will never intersect.
Okay, yeah, you're right. But what else can we say about a parallelogram? What else can we say about a parallelogram? Why is a rectangle a parallelogram? Kamori?
Because it has 2 pairs of parallel sides.
It has what, Kamori?
2 pairs of parallel sides.
What did Kamori just say, Nepal?
2 pairs of parallel sides.
It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Kamori, can you go up to the board really quick and show me the first set? Can you show me me the second set, Kamori? Very good. Say ding ding ding, you got it.
Ding, 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 you got it.
Thank you, Kamori. Why is this shape called a square? What can you tell me about a square, Kamori? Pick someone, please.
Dream. It's a square because it has 4 right angles. It has 4 equal sides. It's a parallelogram, and it can also be a rectangle and a round.
Whoa, you gave me the whole list. Good job. Good job. Why did Dream say this is a parallelogram? Why did Dream say? She said it's a parallelogram. Who can tell us why it's a parallelogram? Jada?
She said it's a parallelogram because it has 2 pairs of parallel sides.
Jada, can you go up to the board and show us where the first set of parallel sides are? Can you show me the second set? Very good. And Dream, you said it's a rhombus. Why is it a rhombus?
Because a rhombus has 4 equal sides like a square, and a rhombus is a square just tilted, but it's not. It's like some of it is not like a rhombus because a rhombus does not have 4 right angles.
Does not always have 4 right angles,
It
right?
does not always have 4 right angles because it has obtuse angles.
Very good. Alrighty, let's look at this next shape here. What is this shape doing? What is it?
A triangle.
A triangle, very good. Now, we've talked about triangles and just kind of have said a triangle is a triangle. We haven't given it a specific name. Okay, so for this lesson, I want you guys to think of this triangle as a triangle that has 3 equal sides. Does anyone think they can come up with a new name instead of just triangle? What else can we call this shape if it has 3 equal sides? Chase?
We can call it an equilateral
Why do you say an equilateral?
because it has equal in it, and if the definition of equal is they have the same. It will have the same size, same size as the size that it will have the same size and all.
All the sides would be the same, right? Good. So who had heard of that word before, equilateral? Okay, good. So we're going to actually more specifically call this shape an equilateral triangle. And one more time, just to refresh in my head, why is it an equilateral triangle? I'm gonna pick Jada.
It's a equilateral because all the sides are equal and it's a quarter.
It's a quadrilateral, this one here. Thumbs up if you agree. Who can tell us why you don't agree? Why don't you agree with saying that this triangle is an equilateral? Miley?
I respectfully disagree because
Rainbow tracking.
a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and a triangle has 3 sides. So if you think about it, a triangle is really not a quadrilateral.
Yeah, because it has how many sides to call?
3.
3. So Jane, is that an equilateral? I'm sorry, a quadrilateral? No, right? Alrighty, very good. So now we know that this is what shape?
Equilateral.
And this shape is called a
Square.
And how many equal sides does a square have? How many equal sides does a square have, Adisa?
The equal size that a square has is 2.
Four. What?
4.
Is it 2 or 4?
4.
Why do you say 4?
Because
Oh, actually, should I say, why did you say 2 the first time? I think I know where your mind was going. Why did you say 2 the first time?
I said 2 the first time because
What were you thinking?
Because I was thinking there are two lines on each side of the square.
Okay, so what is Anissa thinking about since she's thinking of these lines on opposite sides? What is Anissa thinking? 2 what? Jaden?
2 parallel?
2 what?
2 parallel lines.
2 sets of parallel lines, right? But Anissa then said, nope, wait a minute, it's 4, because we know that these are just the parallel sides, but a square has how many equal sides, DePaul? 4. So if I say the measurement of this side is 7 inches, who can tell me the measurement of all the other sides? And how do you know? If I say this is a square and it measures 7 inches, what is the measurement of the other sides? What are the lengths, the missing lengths? Number 6.
I know that it's 7. All the other ones are 7 inches because a square has 4 equal sides.
Very good, Shirley. I want you to still think about what you know about a rectangle. Who can tell me the missing measurements of the rectangle? And how do you know? Where are the